Okay, here's an update on the Laddie motor, the 1957 5 horsepower Sea King, restore number 22. So according to my 10 steps for Restoro, I've tested compression. I didn't have to rebuild any of the components because it ran on the test run. So I went to step 4, which is disassemble. And that's where we're at. I've got everything disassembled. All the nuts and bolts, the prop, steering bracket, gas tanks, outer cover, power head, gear case, tank, magneto, and look at what I found. Now this motor actually ran with the coils in this shape. So the lamination on the coils have cracked over the years. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the coils and points and condensers and rebuild that magneto. I'm gonna rebuild, pressure test and rebuild the gear case with a new impeller. I do have a question for John on this motor. This motor came in with the handle upside down. I think doing some research, it spins around with the spring right here, allows it to spring forward. I got to find out from John if he's got it in that position for a reason or if he wants me to spin it for him. So my decals have come in. I get my decals from discontinueddecals.com, and my paint has come in. I use vintage outboard paints. This is the Gale Sea King Blue, 1951 and 1958, and I got the Sea King White acrylic enamel paint. So rebuild the carb. Even though it did run, I'm gonna rebuild it with a new gasket, new O-rings, clean it. So the 3 components, the magneto, the gear case, and the carb get rebuilt. Then I'm gonna sand down, clean, sand down, and paint all the parts, and then put it back together. So that's the latest update on the Laddie motor. See you all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.